Yeah, let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Shy 16 kuvuke nabaphansi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela igazi. Yebo nyavuma amakhosi labafana bawiki incosi. What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another reaction. Today we're doing Begelela TV. It says Mutuaka. The title says I'm in love with my late brother's, with my late husband's brother. So we are about to check it out. And remember guys, nama episode la react hagu. Asa my episode one. Now I'm just reacting, so don't come for me. Just enjoy as much as I enjoy, and I'll leave the actual link to this episode on my description. Right? So yeah, let's check it out. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and let's not waste time. Asbange.
And I'm going to look at you. Hello, what's
Tushula Chris kopozo ga le yiman hona le abute ke mo shebileng ke moncanyo ke batla mo child so uyabona fana gasile sifuna nje ukubuilda uthando sesiramsel khona bafethu asimngene ntonas
wala
ukrend
ke sharp
ole nice so mara ona motho
yo kyalla
yo ole nice che ay
man kyalla
how is that possible
No mama lo yambona ukuthi inabo mama laba bawu clever la, like respectful, like uyambona ukuthi inabo mama laba abathanda ubuclever.
Batho ba modimiteng ya etsala eish hona la butumang ke mbatla ngwana ko gae
yeah kutlile o tlhanya fela hona le yellow poninyana le tlhantsa
iwani
ke ditsang
ke motho ba exact and o tlhokofetse mari ga ntse ke mshebile mzana
manje
le ntse e ikutswanyana ntse ke mo wa bona
yeah
so problem one ke batla nthusa mfethu re ke mo approach bana khona mo kena no wa bona so wena o tlile le nna ke tlo khona bana le that thing or ai fethu ke ba wa bona so a ke tsebo ka nthusa jwang re iqale kae jwang
mara ho mo snacka at least le ke le la snacka
next ke yona ntho ke batlang wa bona
lamzanyana next
go tshwaranyana yena understand gore na ke tloa ke mathitseng
ya o tshelo
Go tshwaranyana ngatso ke peace job
ke re ke mtshwarantsa o motho mara ke mo wa di amoela ke ra 2 days today ke mo batla
ha ona no maybe o sa tsena rata motho wa hae
ha ya ba tlo tseba ha ke ba tlo tseba ke mo rata mfethu
which one is this one
ke engwe ratang ka ena
ene motho wa tsebo re ke mhlokomela jwang ke mo
yonkinto
o ba le fela toba ya ka mara ska wara ha ke re wena so
e tlo mo lo mateba ska wara ke tlo kena ko ditšhong so re ka mothola fa
ona je ke tsebile ka mara re tla ga mo founela
re matsetsi o di tswa ka dipela sa
number tsa ke na le tsona
ai ha re mo kene
please ka pele
re pele eish a wa tshwetsa tse dinye
e bila bua ka ena so
wa tlhanye ke a bona fela rwa mel
bona yo a nya go buye
Facebook Begelela TV, please don't forget subscribe. For nothing at you Mnandi, I've got a feeling. Sibangene. I'm not. Akore rutwe he.
Okay guys, asisen phambili la khona sebakhuluma naye. I think because I don't want to waste your time. Also, if you want to watch the whole episode, go to their channel Begelela TV.
Ya mabana. Lalo smart jong.
Oh mo hlatsa.
Problem hanna bo uzeti mari ka mncamo.
No mama lo clever lo.
O tla mo paela.
Ke tla mlukisa ke bona wa mpana ke tla mo.
Ntona itukise re ke vibe before a tla wena o itukise nna ke ne ke re chaff khona nyana ne yeah o be grand ra ntwana ka Begelela TV bafethu njengoba sengishilo icherry ishilo yatsipa siyazwakala ke ngathi yazwakala eish I hope uhleli uzova grand guys ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi hayi washo ikepela ka uthi
Welcome to South Africa.
Ayasondela ukhaya bafethu khona zami ready angaza kukwe vele ugelwe yethu asibangene
Sure. Okay. Sure. And I'll turn on again. Hello, go back. What's it, Balwena? Mara, wena hape msodi wa o shwela sina meno mo o sele mara nna ke a o batla ya o etse ntho
a never ke gone la
o ya pere ngwe ke tsema ka le fula mo hlonolo
okay emanyane hloni ukrend
salo
ke pegelela TV
wa lo re phega le fula msodi wa
re re buelle le o tla mothola jwang le so
ne ke
re zame jwanong wena se o batla ebe official
no batla mnganya ka vosho le wena we batla ka vosho emapele kubele
ne ke re tsane pukhe no yena ke no latella
so
ke bua jwanong stoko sa ka o vinka
so first no mama lo tsi ka o batla first ka o batla
ma 2K o reng ka wona
wa mo phaya lo mo phaya ka
bathong ba modimo
wa mo phaya
bathong nako nko pa dijo he ha nako go ditsuka tanki go
mara wena wa o ja shelter o sa mnganye
ne ke na ne ke etsa o thaka ke tshela hore maybe ka ikutswa wa bona
mara o tshelo re next dula mo
o sheletso nna le tsanane e tla be fihlemo
nna ke a batla he ebile ke
ke tšhinjie mo tla bona
ai amara sister le wena a o sister kankana no le ratana kankana re etle dintshanye wa mo batla wena o matla
a o tshaka ke tshaya wa bona o tlo nshaya
I never go shopping mamela re lokise wa mbona ke
marlena
nako ke tshwere le foot ntse ke re o no le mo
so o no mo
ne ke re fela
mo shaelang
e tsa ka motlase ntwe that's a carpet no yena ke wa bona di yena ke o wa mbona o tlo nshapa o tla mtshaba
o mo tshabang o mo tshabang go tswa ngana
okay ke a kopa mfete re tla incenga
a re bua ona tjhe
okay
mara mara sister akrend ai sister o krend mar o krend o sharp
do you think like she's still hurt that her husband passed away? Now she wants to move on fast. I think she's still healing. I think because there's no way. I get no man.
ke batla yena
mara wa tlhanya wa sho ikepelwa mona ke le ka wena
okay
wa o tlisa mo squeeze in
mamela
ona le cherry
ona le cherry stoko bro wa bona no
motho a tlhokofetsela re mo pata
o fetu mamela okay shep
motho a tlhokofetsela
a ngingisane
mamela ke a rata tlela mo TV sele motho a ka o
fetanyane fela ntwana
le hlona la tswana
I never I ba fethu never guys mina ngazi ukuthi sizo solve kanjani le ehloni kopa renga le hloni fela ire atlane kopa renga le hloni
ayi nka se khoni
ha ke tsebina o etsa jwa go bona re ke checkpoint o le nyugo ena o grand
ma o tlo nshapa o nna bo tlo controller pro
no wena o tla renga le ena
tsa bona dinyo fit
ya mara mo guy chance no ke tlo thusa sister ke tlo thusa o nganya fakta
mara boy wa bona o tlo mposa
emapele
o tlo mposa indaba pukito wa bona ke bona ka mnyenyisa mara o tlo mposa
yeah okay we get a score
wa bona okay ship yeah
ngake hona
kopa mohaki le hlonono mohaki o happy no o happy Servile le tama same time ai bafethu ai la ke be ku rough vandag is sister level at never
no guys South African movie if you want to check out the whole episode go to their channel Begelela TV and check it out, or I'll leave the link on my description. You can check it out. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, do the most. And also you can let me know what else I should react to. But then don't let me know if you didn't subscribe. You can only tell me if you subscribe. Subscribe. Next. So yeah, I go by the name The Real Mats. Until the next episode, you already know. And they happy. Gee.